Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. With more than 260 fighter jets in its inventory, the Su-30 MKIs are the backbone of Indian Air Force. Once the world's most deadly fighter is now being overshadowed with some of the most advanced electronic warfare suites and countermeasure systems. Every fighter jet has some pros and cons. Even the world's most advanced fighter, F-22 Raptor, does not feature helmet-mounted display and sight. In today's video, we are going to discuss a very critical update related to Su-30 MKIs. But before going through the update, we'll try to understand why is the electronic warfare system vital in modern warfare and the role of RWR, that is Radar Warning Receiver, in the electronic warfare. In present-day military operations, the electronic warfare plays a vital role. The tactical situation presented by aircraft sensor gives real-time pictures of the battlefield. Exchange of information to the right element at the right time makes the difference in the modern-day warfare. Self-protection of fighting platform is very important for the sustenance. The radar warning receiver is a critical component of the electronic warfare system in modern-day fighter jets. It detects the radio emissions of radar systems. Their primary purpose is to issue a warning when a radar signal that might be a threat, such as a fighter jet's fire control radar, is detected. The warning can be then used manually or automatically to evade the detected threat. For example, a fighter aircraft on a combat air patrol might notice enemy fighters on the RWR and subsequently use its own radar set to find and eventually engage the enemy fighter. In addition, the RWR helps to identify and classify threats, which blips on the radar console screen are dangerous. But since different fighter aircraft typically have different types of radar sets, once they turn on and point them near the aircraft in question, it may be able to tell by the direction and the strength of the signal which of the blip is of which type of fighter. The RWR can be an important tool for evading threats. If a SAM system or surface-to-air missile system or enemy fighter jet aircraft has fired a missile at the fighter, the RWR may be able to detect the change in mode that radar must use to guide the missile and notify the pilot with more insistent warning tones and flashing bracketed symbols on the RWR display. The pilot can then take evasive action to break the missile lock-on or dodge the missile. This Spectra, or self-protection equipment to counter threats for Rafale aircraft in Rafale jets, is an excellent example of modern electronic warfare suite. This system is what makes Rafale distinctly ahead of the fighter jets belonging to its generation. The Spectra integrated electronic warfare suite provides long-range detection, identification, and accurate localization of infrared, electromagnetic, and laser threats. The system incorporates radar warning, laser warning, and missile warning receivers for threat detection, plus a phased array radar jammer and a decoy dispenser for threat countering. It also includes a dedicated management unit for data fusion and reaction decisions. Su-30 MKIs has been struggling with a powerful RWR system. Over the years, several radar warning receivers and electronic warfare systems such as Tempest, Tarang, RWR-118 have been developed and inducted successfully by Indian Air Force. However, their performance was not as good as the modern-day RWR system. The next generation electronic warfare system needs the next generation RWR. However, DRDO has solved this riddle with its new next generation radar warning receiver, that is RWR-NG. This is also going to be integrated with Tejas fighter jet, and TOT for the same has been awarded to HAL during Aero India 2021. RWR-NG is going to be state-of-art next generation digital radar warning receiver for Su-30 MKIs. It is an airborne tactical electronic warfare system that performs the function of creating situational awareness to the pilot about the ground-based, airborne or shipborne emitters present in the scenario. Good news is that its development is complete, and now a tender has been floated by DRDO on 11th of June for the integration of next generation radar warning receiver system on the Su-30 MKIs. The project location is going to be Hyderabad, Telangana. The integration of new generation RWR will make Su-30 MKI the most formidable fighter jet and will be as good as Rafales and even better in some cases. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.